This is a 50-meter concrete pump truck. But what can it really do on a real job site? Let's find out. Designed for modern construction projects, the 50 meters pump truck offers a perfect balance of reach, flexibility, and efficiency. It's one of the most popular choices for contractors worldwide. With a 50-meter boom, this machine can easily handle mid to high-rise buildings. It provides enough reach for most construction needs, without the extra cost of larger machines. Thanks to its multi-section boom design, the pump truck can move around obstacles with ease, even in tight or complex job sites. It can still operate efficiently. Stability is key in concrete pumping. This machine delivers smooth and continuous pumping performance, even during long working hours. That means less downtime and higher productivity. From city construction to overseas projects, this pump truck is built to perform in tough environments. High temperature, rough terrain, it handles them all with reliability. So why do many customers choose the 50 meters pump truck? Because it's not too big and not too small. It's just the right solution for most projects. A perfect balance between performance and cost. Before delivery, every pump truck goes through strict testing. We make sure each machine is ready for real job site conditions. Because quality is not optional, it's essential. Before we go further, let's take a quick look at the basic structure of a pump truck. A concrete pump truck mainly consists of three key parts. First, the truck chassis. It provides mobility and supports the entire machine. Second, the pumping system. This is the core part that delivers concrete with high pressure and stable flow. And third, the boom system. The multi-section boom allows flexible placement of concrete, even in complex or hard-to-reach areas. All these parts work together to ensure efficient, stable, and reliable operation on the job site. Looking for a reliable concrete pump solution? Contact us today. We're ready to support your next project. See you in the next video.